We are in Pristina. It is the Young Conference organized by EULEX. We have invited the youth and many civil society organizations and NGOs to talk to us how we can advance their participation in the rule of law. We want to give them a platform to express themselves and represent their interests. At the moment, we have split all participants into 5 groups. Each group discusses one subject. So the first subject is how can the youth be more active and increase its representation. The second subject refers to fighting prejudice. How can the LGBTI community advance its rights? The third subject is about shifting the narrative from the community I belong to fully experiencing my rights. The fourth subject is how to defeat the feeling of powerlessness and hopelessness of the youth. And the fifth subject is how we can increase the use of networks and sources available to the youth in order to enhance their participation. What they discuss will filter down in one document, main conclusions and recommendations.